we're going to talk about rational expression. A rational expression is an expression of two polynomials. The quotient means that we're going to divide the two polynomials, and we call that a rational expression. So what you have to remember, we're going to have like an expression A over an expression B, and the denominator can never be 0. For example, if you have 5 over x, x can never be equal to 0. If you have 3x plus 7 over x plus 4, that means that x plus 4 can never be equal to 0. And if we simplify that, we're going to get x can never be equal to negative 4. If we have more complex, like y2 minus 5 over x2 minus, minus 5x plus 6, at the bottom here, this expression can never be 0. So we have to really figure out when is it equal to 0. We can factorize. If we factorize, we're going to get x minus 2, x minus 3. That can never be equal to 0. So that means x minus 2 cannot be equal to 0, or x minus 3 cannot be equal to 0. So x cannot be 2, x cannot be 3. Okay? So now if we have a bit more complex of expression, for example, if we have 14a2bc over 42abc squared. You have to remember first, okay? First, we need to simplify. If we simplify that, we can divide 14 and 42 by 7. So we're going to get 2 and 6. Or we can still divide by 2, 1 and 3. A squared and A can simplify. And B will simplify. They'll cancel out. C1 here and C2. We're going to have 1c at the bottom. So we're going to have a on the top over 3c. So what does it mean? Which one cannot be? Remember, it's always the denominator. So 3c cannot be equal to 0. Means that c cannot be equal to 0. Okay, and okay, so another kind of expression you could get is, let's say, x2 minus 9 over 5x plus 3. Well, if you remember, we need to simplify. On the top, you have the difference of two squares. So that's x minus 3 times x plus 3. And at the bottom, here it's not a 3, it's a 15. So at the bottom, we need to factor. So there's a 5. 5x divided by 5 is x, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. And here, you can see that it's the same expression up and down, so we can cancel out. So we're going to end up with x minus 3 over 5. So now to practice that, you could go in your book, page 67, practice number 1, and then page 68, practice number 6. Have fun!